my name is Jeff from Appic team. Today I want to introduce the new features that we have been developing for the past few months. We were focusing on our DEX. It's a concentrated liquidity model DEX inspired by Uniswap v4 algorithms. It allows users to create positions. You can select the tokens that you want to create a position for. For example, you can provide liquidity between ICP and CKUSDC. We have different fee tiers based on the token. So for this pair, 0.3% is better, but for like stable pairs, we also provide 0.01%, 0.05%, 0.1%. These are really nice for liquidity, stable pools, and 1% for really exotic volatile pairs. Then you can specify what is the minimum price and the maximum price of the token that you want to buy and sell. You can define a custom range. For example, this is the price of ICP right now in our DEX per CKUSDC, and you can define the range that you want to provide the liquidity for. Also, you can, let's say you want to provide 11 amounts of ICP. It says there is this amount of CKUSDC required and vice versa. Apart from that, we have created an explore part for exploring the pools that are already available, the TVL, APR, and the volume. So we have not fully launched yet. That's why the volume is really low right now, but it shows you the TVL and everything. On the other hand, we have the swap feature that allows users to buy and sell tokens. For example, you can sell CKUSDC to get USDC of Binance Smart Chain. And here it shows the return amount that you're getting at the end of the swap, the fees, the route, the minimum received, and also the time, the estimated time, execution price, and everything. On the other hand, we have also added a new layer to our bridge. It allows ICP tokens. It can be any token from ICP to be bridged to EVM chains as well. For example, if you want to send 10 ICP from ICP to ICP from base, it gives you this amount of return. And in our advanced feature, which is the twin token creation feature, we have created this really easy to use UI to provide twin tokens, or like to create wrap tokens on the other chains. For example, you want to create this gold token from ICP on Binance Smart Chain. It's like a wrap token for GLDT token on Binance Smart Chain, and it shows you all the information: original token name, original token symbol, original blockchain, and the twin token name, twin token blockchain, and the creation fee. That was all the features that we have been created. We hope you start liking using our features, and also just to show you the swap times, I can just do this test transaction of swapping. And we can claim we are the fastest DEX on ICP as well. For the code, we have this DEX repository completely open source and available for all the projects to go and read. There is the documentation available as well here. It's Appic DEX. For the ICP to EVM bridge, we have this EVM meter repository that is also completely open source and everyone can have a look at. And for the integration documentation, we have this docs repository on our GitHub that explains how projects can integrate with all of our canisters and APIs. Thank you so much for watching this video. Hope you're having a good day. Bye bye.